What's going on, everybody? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. As the title says, today in this video, I'm going dark, double dark. Now, many of you already knew what I was referring to when I said I'm going double dark. But for those of you that don't know, Greene County Fertilizer has a cocktail, or a N-ext cocktail, which is called the Double Dark, and it's 700 green effect and there's 002 microgreen. Now, within this cocktail, there is 9% iron. That is a lot of iron, and that's going to give the grass a really deep, dark green. So hence the double dark. And I am filming a video on Monday because next Monday is Memorial Day. I'm struggling saying that, Memorial Day. And for that video, I want to make sure that my grass has that really nice, dark, rich green. Fescue, I mean, people can, talk about color all you want. Fescue, when it is looking good, it has a nice, dark, rich green. And so fescue, I love my fescue. So hopefully with this cocktail here, it's going to make that fescue look so much better. Now, I still am battling some fungus. I put down my curative rate of Scott's Disease X. A video is forthcoming on that. But so there's still some browning and discoloration because of that. But, you know, the rest of it is looking still really, really good. I'm also up against the rain. For the next week almost, we have 60+% chance of rain. I have a nice 8-hour window now where I can go ahead and apply this. Unfortunately, this is a full foliar application because you want the grass blades to absorb all that iron. Typically, you'd probably want to wait about 24 hours before going ahead and getting some water down. Air conditioner. But I don't have that luxury. I probably should have applied this last week, but I wanted to get it closer to that Memorial Day video when it starts really getting that nice dark color. But, you know, we'll do what we can. So anyway, let's go ahead and mix some of this double dark cocktail. Elephant in the room, I got a new sprayer. This is the FlowZone Tornado. I actually bought this last year, like October, November, and you watched me open it for the first time. I was actually considering sending it back because I have the ortho for sort of these liquid fertilizers, and then I'm going to use hose end applications or my hand can for like fungicides and pesticides and all this kind of stuff. But I decided, why not go ahead and for this very special application, the double dark, bust out the new backpack sprayer and go ahead and give it its maiden voyage. So anyway, application rates real quick. It is 9 ounces per 1,000 on the 002 microgreen and 6 ounces per 1,000 on the 700 green effect. I am spraying my main lawn first, so it's 2,500 square feet, so it's going to actually be 22.5 ounces of the microgreen. I did fill my backpack up a little more than halfway with water. I feel like a Ghostbuster with this thing hanging on the side. Give it an old mixy mix. Ooh, it looks like an ecto cooler. Hun? Fill it up the rest of the way with the water and get to spraying. will say I nailed the second application here. On the first application on the main lawn, I didn't quite get 2 passes. I covered, camera to the neighbor's side. I did that pass, and I started street to house, and about to this tree here, I ran out of product. So when I filled my sprayer with another gallon of water to cover the 1,000 square feet on the strip, I put a little bit extra, not just to cover this, but to also finish up the second pass on the main lawn, and I perfectly ran out of product. So pretty pleased with that. And so before anyone asks, yes, I did calibrate the sprayer before I put any product in there. Now hopefully all this rain lets up so that way the product can actually absorb through the grass blades, because like I said, it is a foliar application. It is not a soiler. That is not. It doesn't go through the soil, it goes through the grass blades. So all the iron needs to sit on the grass blades for a little while and then let the grass blades absorb it, so that way it gets that nice dark green. But that means I can't have any water. So I'm gonna get water. Like I said, I didn't time this just right with the rain, so hopefully I get a few hours with no rain on here, let it absorb, and then Mother Nature will do what Mother Nature does, I guess. But anyway, that is it for this video. Please like, subscribe, comment below, and please like the video if you liked it. I get about between 150 to 250 views on my videos most of the time, but I only get like 20 likes, if that. So if you liked it, please do me a favor and give me that thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down, or just don't, like I think a lot of you do, which means a lot of people must not like my video. I don't know. But anyway, just go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, do all that kind of good stuff. Have you done the double dark before? I wish there was a way to post pictures on Facebook, on YouTube, so we can actually see the results. But anyway, I will see you all in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless. So yeah, I am going to be doing the next cocktail. You done? It's moving further. Nope. Okay.